Good afternoon, dear viewers. Today I want to talk about my thesis on topic centralization database of perspective medicines. This work was carried out of order to create a database for storing information about the prospective drugs, which will optimize the works of pharmacies and the medicine institutions. In this view, you can see authorization client to the service. Authorization was entered to the Gmail, email and passwords. Um, and one of the main problems faced by medicine institution is the complexity of working with various perspectives for the treatment. Often information about the recepts is stored in the different system, which make difficult to use them quickly and efficiently. In this page, and you can see the main page where clients can take a receipt and this list of the polyclinics and drugs and the list of the pharmacies when I open it and has worked at that time. And my receipts had the receipt were given for that person, and the information of click the more information, and it takes all the information on this project on this recept, and they can scanning to QR uh, to the uh, scanning QR, no, scanning QR, and can in this page person can take a user information in the take in a name, date of birth, email, phone numbers, and the person can take the appointment to the doctors and take the what specialist have a create has a take to appointment, for example a traumatolog, and can take the doctors and all information of the doctors. Uh, the the centralization of the database of treatment perspective makes it possible to simplify the process of working, with them increase the effective of medical treatment. With that project that was created for the Laravel and Laravel's framework and the language of PHP. This view can take the record to the doctors. He takes the time and takes the record button um, in the record button. The doctor's menu can take it, enter it to the doctor login. In the users can take that information and only use that middleware for that um, middleware to the controlling the premises. Doctors after the logging the systems can take the logging the system can view sorry. After the logging systems opening the main page to the doctors, um, okay, let's talk about the about doctor main page. He can search at the patient, and the notification it's about when the person is created appointment to the doctors. Second is a given third is a given recept to the person. He's first of all he's search at the patient and gives a recept to that person. Um, user doctor information he take it in личные данные. Searching, okay, let's view the certain patient. He's can searching for the in to use can searching to the in. He take its person who need to recept and gives a title to that recept, for example, title, and a message to the comment to that recept, for example, mm, for the recept. Takes the data to create it, one created that recept, and second, he's redirected uh, to the pharmacy medicines tables. He take it information what need to that recept, for example, aspirin, um, mucaltin, um, and in the database he can search it in the recepts table. He can see the recept table, for example, or and oh, um, page. Let's talk about that project's functionalities. And first of all, I told about add new drugs to the database, adding perspective and the viewing perspective by clients and the doctors. We will look through the doctor's previous prescribable medicine to the client, searching for medicines by name, view detailing information about medicines, including dosage and contradictions, adding and deleting information about medicines, and an appointment with the doctor's view and the doctors of client who have signed up their prescriptions. Views are opening hours or nearby pharmacies. Database was creating in the PHP language, um, and Laravel framework. In this you can see the notification when the client coming to the doctors. He can view the information about that client, for example, in the recept and the name and the in of that person. Um, and in this project we created a documentation. In the documentation have that parts. First of all, introduction, literature review, developing process, backend parts, and designing parts. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.